Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a watch list in TradingView. It's a very handy feature to keep track of your favorite stock. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the TradingView app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, make sure you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to access your watch list, here you can see the watch list icon at the bottom left corner. Tap on it. You will see all the stocks that you have added to your watch list over here. Now, in order to create a new watch list, here you can see the plus icon. Tap on it. You can search for any stocks that you want to add to your watch list. Let's add the Apple stock. So I'll type APPL. Once you find your desired stock in the results, you can see the plus icon beside it. You can tap on it to add to your watch list. So tap on this plus icon and it has been added to my watch list now. Now if you access your watch list again, here you can see the Apple stock has been added to my watch list. So that's it. You've successfully added a watch list in TradingView on your smartphone. It's a very easy process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.